Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview Pinescript documentation. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all, so let's just go straight into it. Now the first step is going to be access the Pinescript documentation. So to access the Pinescript documentation, all you got to do is click on the Pinescript button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is to learn about Pinescript syntax and functions. So go ahead and learn about Pinescript's functions and syntax in the documentations. Step 3 is to use the documentation to write your own Pinescript code. So now that you've learned about the syntax and functions and all that, just want to go ahead and use the documentations to write your own Pinescript code for custom indicators and strategies. The fourth and final step is to get help from the Pinescript community. So if you're stuck in any code or anything you need assistance with, you could just reach out to the Pinescript community and they're going to help you to get through that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview Pinescript documentation. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next